Primroses, also known as Primula vulgaris, are charming perennial flowers that bloom in early spring, adding a splash of color to any garden. They are a favorite among gardeners because of their delicate beauty and ease of care. If you're looking to add some color to your garden, here's a guide on how to grow and care for primroses. Growing primroses. Choose the right location. Primroses prefer partial shade to full shade, making them ideal for planting in woodland gardens or in areas where there is filtered sunlight. Avoid planting them in direct sunlight, as this can cause the plant to dry out quickly. Soil preparation. Primroses prefer moist, well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to ensure that the plant gets the nutrients it needs to thrive. Planting. Primroses can be planted in the spring or fall. Dig a hole that is twice the width of the plant's root ball and slightly deeper. Place the plant in the hole and fill with soil, gently pressing down to ensure good soil-to-root contact. Water well after planting. Mulching. Mulching around the plant will help to retain moisture in the soil, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weed growth. A layer of organic mulch, such as shredded leaves or bark, should be applied around the plant. Caring for primroses. Watering. Primroses prefer consistently moist soil. Water deeply and regularly, especially during hot and dry weather. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can encourage disease. Fertilizing. Primroses do not require heavy fertilization, but a light feeding in the spring can help to promote growth and flowering. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Deadheading. Removing spent flowers can encourage the plant to produce more blooms. Cut off the spent flower stem just above the first set of leaves. Dividing. Over time, primroses can become crowded and stop flowering. Divide the plant every 3 to 4 years in the fall, after it has finished flowering. Dig up the entire plant, divide it into smaller sections, and replant each section. Pest and disease control. Primroses are generally free from pests and diseases, but can occasionally be affected by aphids, slugs, or powdery mildew. Use an insecticidal soap or slug bait to control pests, and treat powdery mildew with a fungicide. Primroses are a delightful addition to any garden, bringing a splash of color and cheer to the early spring landscape. By providing the right growing conditions and following proper care techniques, you can enjoy these beautiful flowers for years to come.